Hello from me, hello from Rosie. Today we are going to be making a peanut butter and chocolate fondant. It is so easy, so quick, it's going to take like 5 minutes to prepare. In fact, I better stop talking now, otherwise we'll double the length of this video. Good girl, Rosie. Peanut butter and chocolate fondant. Let's crack on. To start off with, I've got 4 of these fondant molds. I've got a little bit of butter that I'm going to just grease these dudes with, and then I'll just make sure that the fondant is easy to get out of the ramekin once it's cooked. So yeah, I mean, I meant it when I said this was easy. I'm going to basically mix everything together. So I'm going to start off by putting 140 grams of peanut butter in here. I mean, if you're on a health kick, this probably isn't the dessert to have. But if you're not, and you want something that's really quick and easy to do, then this is the dessert to do. So the recipe is in the description. Just got some softened up butter in there, that's 50 grams. I've got 45 grams of brown sugar in there. And the original recipe said to put in 110 grams of castor sugar, but I found that's a bit too sweet, so I'll put 80 grams in here. But up to you if you've got a sweet tooth. Okay, so we're gonna add our egg in there and then whisk this with a hand whisker until it's like light brown and fluffy. So let's give it a go. So it's looking pretty good. Now we just stir in our flour. Add in a quarter teaspoon, a little bit more than a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm going to fill these ramekins halfway to start off with. And I've got some chocolate. I'm going to pop about a square of chocolate into each one. Cover them up. We're going to put these into quite a low temperature oven of 160 for about 20-25 minutes. But that's it, that's all we have to do for these. So, let's see you in 20-25 minutes.